एंड वेलकम टू अ न्यू व्लॉग। आज हम जा रहे हैं ब्रसल्स से पेरिस बाय बस। फ्लिक्स बस ही हमने बुक की थी और 4 आवर्स का जर्नी है। सो वी आर सिटिंग इन द बस। हम अपर डेक पे हैं, डबल डेकर बस है एंड वी हेडिंग टू पेरिस। सो वी विल कनेक्ट वंस वी रीच पेरिस और प्रॉब्ली ऑन द वे। अभी तो बहुत अंधेरा है, सुबह के 7 बजे है। 8:30 के आसपास जब धूप निकलेगी थोड़ा कुछ दिखने लगेगा। आई विल शो यू गाइस द रूट and let's go to Paris. हम पेरिस पहुंच चुके हैं, but I'm taking this video to show you कि pack your bags mindfully. पूरे यूरोप में cobbled streets है and you have to lug your bags by yourself. There's no help, there's nothing. So अपने bags ध्यान से पैक करो। जो भी आप पैक कर रहे हो वज़न याद रखना, उसको आपको घसीट के जाना है। So be very mindful of that. प्लस ऑफ कोर्स आपको सेफ़ भी रहना है, क्योंकि पेरिस जैसी जगह में आप आ रहे हो तो थोड़ा बहुत बैग्स को सेफ़ रखना भी पड़ेगा. सो मेक श्योर यू आर पैकिंग अकॉर्डिंगली. वी डिडंट मेक श्योर क्लियरली एज यू कैन सी, बट you can. Okay, so we have lugged all our luggage all the way from that bus station, which is far ahead on the other side of that park. Quite far. I don't know इन्होंने ऐसा कैसे क्यों बनाया है. This is a little strange. So you have to lug your bags and come all the way to the street where you can then order a ride. And we've just done that. We've called for an Uber and we're just waiting for the guy to come. By the way, आप जब यहाँ पे आओगे इस street पे, so there are multiple people who may reach out to you for a cab. Best to kind of avoid if you're new into the city and you're not used to the place and the directions and so on and so forth. अगर आप यहाँ पे रहते हो या आपने एटलीस्ट 3-4 दिन यहाँ पे आप रह चुके हो and you know your ways and you know the place, then it makes sense. But if you don't, kind of avoid taking those taxis where the ones that come to you. Also there is an option of hail taxis. Now we don't know, since we've also just come today, we don't know the hail taxi का कैसा चलता है. But we've ordered an Uber and here is our Uber. Okay, so we've checked into our hotel. Not really checked in, but हम आ चुके हैं. This is just the pantry area of our hotel. और हमारे rooms ready नहीं है, so we are just we got something from the grocery to grab quickly. ये खा के हम बाहर निकल जाएंगे, तब तक हमारा room ready हो जाना चाहिए. This, my friends, is a beautiful room in Paris. But let me show you the true essence of staying here, which is the Eiffel right here in front of us. How gorgeous. Okay, so ये hotel, as you can see, it has the view of the Eiffel from my window, and that is one of the key reasons why I wanted to stay here. It's a beautiful place. And I'm just staying here for the night. I'm going to be shifting to another hotel tomorrow, but I already can't get enough of this view. Alright, so we've settled in and now we're heading to something super interesting. Now this is something that I am extremely looking forward to. So we've booked a food tour across Paris. There's a lane called as Le Marais, which is a street food place in Paris, and we're going to go and taste and sample some of the amazing and local food of Paris. Now if you guys know me, if you guys been following me and seen my videos,
This is exactly why I love traveling, because I love immersing myself in the local culture, knowing what people in a different country eat, knowing their table etiquettes, what they follow, how do they do their cheers, etc., and so on and so forth. And I'm really intrigued to do this tour. मुझे हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंसेस बहुत पसंद है. तो ये जो टूर है, इट्स बीन बुक्ड बाय अ कंपनी कॉल्ड एज द सीक्रेट फूड टूर्स, एंड दे ऑपरेट ऑल अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. सो दे डू फूड टूर्स अक्रॉस सो मेनी डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, स्पेशली स्पेन. इट्स अ स्पेनिश कंपनी, बट हमने इनके साथ ये वाला टूर यहाँ पे बुक किया है. It's a 3-hour tour. It starts at around 2 o'clock and ends about 5-ish. So very intrigued, and I'm just looking forward to this. अभी हम जाएंगे नीचे यहीं से. We'll take a taxi and then on to the meeting point. They've given all the details of the meeting point etc. तो बस वहाँ पे जाना है, and from there हम उनके हवाले.
Okay guys, so the food tour has started. We are about 9 or 10 of us, and we are heading to one of the busiest streets, which is the Le Marais street, where the food tour starts from. So guys, this is our first stop, a boulangerie, which is essentially a bakery. So the first thing we're trying is a croissant from a French boulangerie.
$1,200, a bit more than that. It's huge, like it's huge. And the second country in the world that has the biggest amount of cheese is Italy. They have a bit more than 400. So the difference is huge.
The second place that we're at, it's a cheese shop, and just look at the variety of cheese here. This is a camembert. Fresh camembert. Did you like it? An iconic Adidas. Thank you.
Why falafel though?
Yeah, I
Sorry?
want to understand, how did falafel come to Paris?
Through the Jewish community,
Ah, okay.
because it's something from Lebanon.
Oh,
Correct.
yes. This is our last place for the day, and the thing we're getting from here is, so we're getting a meringue pie from here, which is a French classic, and there's no better place you can have a meringue than in Paris. So we're getting ours packed because we have a little plan of taking it somewhere and then having it. We're not going to have it here. हम लेकर जाएंगे. And Gabrielle, our tour guide, is just getting some for us.
time in every different country of Europe. Not Russia this, but because of Hermione. Okay guys, so Eiffel Tower हमें रूम से देख के चैन नहीं मिल रहा था, which is why now we decided to actually walk to the Eiffel because day one in Paris और Eiffel तक ना जाना, it just felt a little, you know. So कल हमारे पास पूरा दिन है of course and we're going to be exploring a lot more of Paris. But tonight before we went to bed we just wanted to go close to the Eiffel. मन भर के इसको देखने का मन हो रहा था and it's all lit up and beautiful now. So that's where we're headed. It was just a 10-minute walk from our hotel, which is the best part about staying at the Relais Bosquet. Literally a 10-minute walk to the Eiffel. How amazing is that, right? So let's go. Alright, so we managed to come here, brave the cold, and I still can't believe I'm standing right by the Eiffel, guys. It just feels... I don't know if I've seen something as beautiful as this, and this isn't even my first time seeing the Eiffel, but कुछ तो बात है उसके बारे में. आप आते हो, आप उसके सामने खड़े होते हो and you just can't stop ogling at it. It is so beautiful. Also, if you want to see it twinkling, so basically sunset होने के बाद हर घंटे पे 5 मिनट के लिए twinkle होता है. तो sunset यहाँ पे 5:30 बजे हो जाता है, तो समझो 6 बजे onwards every hour. So from 6 o'clock, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. I don't know what's the last hour, but we are here at 10 o'clock now, so we're just waiting for it. 15 another minutes to go. और 5 मिनट के लिए ये twinkle होता है. So if you want to watch it, you just come here and you just wait. And this is a good time because यहाँ पे मतलब दिन के जो tourists होते हैं वो नहीं है, etc. It's cold, but it's really nice. I'm still trying to sink in the feeling that I'm actually in Paris, right in the front of the Eiffel, a wonder of the world. I'm still trying to sink that feeling in. Okay, अभी 6 मिनट बचे हैं and we are waiting for the Eiffel to twinkle. We actually watched it twice? No, once from our room.
Twice.
Yeah, we watched it twice. Yeah, we watched it twice from our room. But this feels like a birthday countdown, right? We are like counting every minute. Yeah, 5 मिनट बचे, 6 मिनट बचे. अब अभी कितने मिनट बचे?
I think 5 more minutes.
5 ना?
Yeah, 5 more minutes.
हाँ, अभी 5 मिनट बचे. 5 मिनट में ये twinkle करेगा and we're waiting for that. That's going to be our end of today. Nice end for today.
And it's twinkling. How beautiful is it?
Morning from Paris. Today is the second day in Paris and the weather is a bit of a bummer as you can see. बारिश हो रही है, कल रात से ही बारिश हो रही है and it has a beauty of its own. बहुत ही रेनी पेरिस जो होता है, जो फोटोग्राफर्स होते हैं वगैरह फ़ोटो शूट्स करने के लिए निकलते हैं फॉर दिस डे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज का हमारा दिन रिजर्व्ड है फॉर वॉकिंग अराउंड द सिटी एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग सम ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस व्हिच आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ वी गोना बी एबल टू डू. एंड एज यू कैन सी द आईफिल बिहाइंड मी पूरा बादलों के पीछे चला गया है. सो इट कीप्स प्लेइंग पीकाबू, कीप्स गोइंग इन एंड कमिंग आउट. सो आज हम जिस होटल में रुके थे, वी हैव टू शिफ्ट आवर होटल्स. वी आर टोटली इन पेरिस फॉर 2 nights, जिसमें से 1 night we were here in Relais Bosquet and now the second night we're supposed to be staying in another hotel. तो हमें अभी hotels shift करने with all our baggages. It's a close walk but in the rain, well, so we'll try and figure out what to do. Metro वगैरह है तो we will try and use those to kind of shelter ourselves from the rain as much as possible and make the most of whatever we can do today. But yeah, that's that. Okay, we have left from Hotel 1 and now we are transferring ourselves to Hotel 2. We're lugging our bags क्योंकि सिर्फ 5 मिनट का walk है, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है. It's rainy Paris, like I said. It's not too bad. चलने के लिए ठीक है, मतलब drizzle हो रहा है फिलहाल तो. So we are just making our way to Hotel 2.
Poor Ishan. He has to lug 2 heavy bags. And he's being nice enough to do that.
Right, so we have finally exited from that long metro ride और अब हम चल के जा रहे हैं पहली जगह पे which is a street which is apparently supposed to be a very beautiful street. अब जाएंगे पता चलेगा. The only thing about today is this rainy weather. I really wish it didn't rain. It's not something that I foresaw and not something that I like at all. But it is what it is. वेदर का कुछ करा नहीं जा सकता, जो है जैसा है वैसा है. इट्स अ रियल बमर बट इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. ट्राई एंड अवॉइड कमिंग इन द रेन्स इफ यू कैन. जनवरी में यूजुअली रेन होता है. द वेदर इज ग्लूमी. आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी सनी ईदर बट आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू रेन ऑल्सो, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. सो वेल, इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. Traveling is all about making the best of whatever life throws at you, whatever the weather throws at you, and that's what we're going to try and do today. Let's go.
Okay guys, so we've reached Rue Cremont, which happens to be a street with completely colorful houses. And how beautiful is this? Just look at this. Alright guys, so come to the Notre Dame Cathedral, which is an iconic cathedral of Paris. Now there are a lot of other cathedrals that you can visit as well. The issue with this one for me personally is that it's too crowded. This is absolutely out of my comfort zone क्योंकि बहुत ही टूरिस्टी जगह है. बट ये मतलब एक quintessential जगह है जहाँ पे आप आ सकते हो because it holds a very significant importance religiously to people out here. It's a Catholic church. And this is standing tall for 800 years. It's from the medieval era. So that's that. But मैं अभी अंदर आपको लेकर तो जा रही हूँ. I'll show you what the cathedral looks like, and I'm going inside especially to show you guys. But honestly, जिस तरह का यहाँ पे crowd है इस समय, it's something that's not up my alley. It's something that I would avoid. There are a lot of other cathedrals in Paris that you can visit, and you can peacefully sit at and watch.
Okay, so we've been walking around a fair bit to the places that you guys have seen. हम आज एक्चुअली काफ़ी जगह पे मेट्रोज ले रहे हैं, which is a good thing because it's also covering up a lot of long distances. So the commuting in Paris is very different from the commuting in Amsterdam, जो आपने हमारे पहले एपिसोड में देखा होगा. वहाँ पे हर जगह ट्रैम्स का कनेक्टिविटी बहुत ही ईजी था, यू नो. एंड यहाँ पे तो ट्रैम्स ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे आपको मेट्रो लेनी पड़ती है, और मेट्रो के लिए भी मतलब कुछ जो डिस्टेंसेस स्पेशली आज हम कवर कर रहे हैं थोड़े एक दूसरे से दूर दूर है, तो हम मेट्रो लेके तो उनको कवर कर रहे हैं. बट द बमर रियली हियर इज़ द वेदर बिकॉज it's been raining. It's not raining cats and dogs. It's raining. It's not India rain. It's not Mumbai rain. If you're a Mumbaiker and watching this, you probably know the concept of rain better than anybody can. So we are really used to harsh rains. But वो कहते हैं ना कि जब आप किसी जगह पे एज अ टूरिस्ट जा रहे हो या आप घूमने निकले हो, तो इट कैन बी अ बिट ऑफ एन इनकन्वीनियंस, क्योंकि आपको जो लाइटिंग है पूरी शिफ्ट हो जाती है. आप जब चल रहे हो, it's, you know, you're getting wet while you're walking, etc. So that's that. A little bit of an inconvenience, and it's really not the weather that I personally like. So I am really not enjoying this weather at all. But having said that, the city of Paris has its own charm. तो आप चाहे किसी भी weather में आओ, ये शहर वैसा है that, you know, when you look at people around, everyone is still hustling. Everyone is caring about their daily chores just like they would do, even if it was summer. So that kind of makes you think that, you know, okay, people are pretty cool with it and probably this is very common here. So मैं भी बस वही सोच के चल रही हूँ. Not personally a big fan of this weather, but it is what it is. और weather का तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं, उस पर हमारा किसी का कोई बस नहीं है. So it is what it is and trying to make the best of whatever it is.
Okay guys, I ended up finding a love lock circle, I should call it. So this is the most iconic thing of Paris. अगर आप जानते हो तो जब आप आईफिल चढ़ते हो, you can actually go lock your love in a little lock. तो हम आईफिल के ऊपर तो नहीं गए थे, बट यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसे चलते चलते ये एक जगह सी मिल गई जहाँ पे एग्जैक्टली राइट बिलो द नोत्र दाम कैथीड्रल, एंड पीपल हैव एक्चुअली यू नो पुट दीज लॉक्स हियर व्हिच इज रियली स्वीट. You can buy a lock and you can put this, और अगर आप घर से लेकर आ रहे हो you can always come and tie it here. Store at the metro station with really cheap prices for coats, so we bought a coat. Little shopping which I'll show you guys in a while once we go back to the hotel.
Alright, so we have finally grabbed pizza. We're having late lunch today because we were walking around and we didn't realize कि कितने बज गए हैं. So we have now finally picked up pizza and we're headed to a nice place, because obviously if you're picking up food, might as well sit in a nice place and have it, right? We have the Eiffel right behind us, but उसे देखने के लिए और बैठ के खाने के लिए बहुत ही beautiful spot है. I am headed to. Let's go.
What a beautiful walk. This is a walk of my life that I can do literally every single day. Okay guys, so this is Cafe Gustave right in front of the Eiffel. So Gustave Eiffel's Eiffel Tower and Cafe Gustave. They also have a little caricature of Ratatouille over here. Just so iconic. तो जितना पेरिस दिन में ब्यूटीफुल दिखता है, पेरिस ऑल्सो sparkles by the night, and by sparkles I don't mean just the Eiffel Tower. The entire city sparkles. It's got a charm of its own. It looks very different during the night, and it is rightly called as the City of Lights. तो हम बस ऐसे एक stroll करने निकले हैं रात में, just to explore and see what Paris has to offer at this hour.
And चलते चलते मैं आ गई हूँ Place de la Concorde पे, which you can see right behind me, a beautiful monument. So इन्होंने आर्किटेक्चर फ्रांस का पेरिस का कुछ ऐसे किया है कि all the monuments fall in a single line. So मेरे पीछे जो Place de la Concorde है, उसी के स्ट्रेट लाइन में अगर आप एकदम सीधे सीधे चलते जाओगे, you'll see the Arc de Triomphe, और आप और सीधे सीधे चलोगे तो you'll see the Louvre Museum. So that is the kind of architecture that was intentionally done in this place, so that all these monuments come in one single line. How amazing is that, right?
This video is to show you guys the alignment, okay? जिसके बारे में मैंने just बोला. This is Place de la Concorde, and right उसके सामने देखो is the Arc de Triomphe. पेरिस के सबसे एफ्लुएंशियल होटल के सामने खड़े हैं. दिस इज द Le Maurice. It's exactly bang opposite the Jardin de Tuileries, which is inside. बट ये जो आप क्राउड देख रहे हो ना बाहर, दिस इज द पेपराज़ी. सब लोग अपने कैमरास वगैरह लेके खड़े हैं. दे आर जर्नलिस्ट, PH3 जर्नलिस्ट. अपेरेंटली यहाँ पे कोई सेलिब्रिटी आया होगा फॉर श्योर. सो दिस होटल has seen faces like Rihanna, Beyonce, Dali, who've lived here. Some very famous celebrities have lived here, and probably that's why आज भी कोई आया है, जिसकी वजह से crowd है. I can hear people screaming and shouting. मुझे नहीं पता कौन है, but ये देखो. And we have walked to the Louvre Museum, as you can see here. Just look at that.
You can make authentic pasta.
Welcome here in Rome. This feels like walking into Fashion Week. Colosseum is right here in front of me.
The center of years of history.